Hello everyone, this is Ashiqur Rahman Imran and again I'm with Reactive extension. So today our topic is operator. So operator is a method which is extended from observable. So operator are the methods that can perform by observable. So we are using C# programming language, so it has own interface IObservable which is under system namespace, but I want to use our custom one for our learning state. C# has Linq which is fully extended with observable, so that is the reason if we use observable from system then all the items will be extended automatically. So there are some steps if we want to prepare our own operators for our reactive extension. So first we'll create extension method for extending the features of observable. So now I'm opening the previous project and I have changed some information. So previously it was IObservable, so which is under system, so that's why I have changed the name. So IObservable and IObserver, so the name has changed and the namespace has changed. But if we go to IObserver, so yeah, all the methods are same, but we want to use our one. So I'm using IObserver. So this is our interface. This one, ReactiveX core. So now I'm adding another folder, extension. What we need, where I'm adding a class. So which kind of feature we want to add? So we want to print unique timestamp for our observable. So unique timestamp so the namespace is ReactiveX core extension. So I'm adding a static class because I want to prepare a extension method for this. So Unix timestamp, this is the class name. So I'm adding a method that will print the Unix timestamp for observable. Void print Unix so this I observable t source source. So I'm adding the type here. So I have to make this method static for that. So our method is done. What we'll do here, just current UTC extension method for printing Unix timestamp. So this is done, right? Now we want to use this as a operator with observable. So I'm going to the main method again, and this is our observable instance. Here, if we need any Linq operator, then we can take function as a parameter. But right now we don't need any Linq operator for that. So we also can call observer to extension method. So if we want, we can call any observer in our extension method also. Finally, we can call the operator with our observable instance. So we are in the final state. So right now, beginning of the application, I want to print the unique timestamp. So this is the divider after that unique timestamp. So the instance of observable and print unique timestamp. So this is the extension method of it. So everything is up to date. So I'm running this application. So what is happening here? So first it's printing the current UTC. So 9:11:47 a.m. and this is our observers that performed in the subscribe method. So the complete and 487. So these are the things. So we can extend our observables however we need. So if our software application demand that we need this kind of functionality, so we can extend it easily. So this is the important thing. Sometimes we need several functionality for application for multiple time using, and we need reuse facility. So that's why on the time we can extend our observable. And that's all for today. Thank you very much, and stay connected and get something new every day.